Welcome to my channel Techno Mintra. This is Ankita Agrawal and today we are going to learn about how you can find out the largest element in an array. Till now we have learned about the Java array, we have learned how you can copy the elements, and then today we are going to learn about the largest element. So for finding out the largest element, the very first requirement will be we will be requiring an array. In that we will be storing some element, and then after storing some element, from those elements we have to find out one element that will be the largest, or I can say that will be the will be having the maximum value. Okay, so basically over here you will be requiring an array, then you will be requiring a variable in which you will be storing the maximum value. So let's start with it. Over here you can see I have already made a class largest. So over here we'll start public static void main string args. Okay, so over here the very first thing we'll do will initialize and declare an array, maybe by the element 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11. Okay, so over here we have initialized the array. Now we'll initialize we will declare a variable max, and in the max what we will do, we will store the first value of the array. Okay, so like this is our array, so the 0th value. Okay, so why we have stored this value, what we are telling over here, that the max will be storing a0. so a0, you know, in the array the index will start from the 0th value. So over here a0 means 3 value. So what it will do, every time now we will be making a loop in which what we will do, we will every time check the array 0th value, that means 3 value with the rest of them. We will compare 3 with this 5, 3 with this 7, 3 with this 9, and then 3 with this 11, and like this until till the time we are going to find out the maximum value. Now again it will go, and then it will compare 5 with 7, 5 with 9, 5 with 11, 7 with 9, 7 with 11, then 9 with 11, and when it is able to find out the largest, every time it is going to compare each and every value with the maximum value that we are storing. So every time the maximum value will get incremented, and then with that maximum value we are going to compare. So over here, for now we are going to make a loop. Okay, so in that loop we are going to compare I is equal to 0, I is less than a dot leng th and I plus plus. So over here we are going till the length of the array, and inside the array what we are going to do, inside this for loop, now we have to compare. So we will write down, we have to make a if loop over here, and with that if loop every time we are going to compare the ai value. Ai is right now, it is initially 0, so 3 with 5, what I told earlier, it will keep on going on like this, and then whichever will be the maximum, like over here when it will compare 3 with 5, 3 with 7, 3 with 9, 3 with 11, so it is going to find out that 11 is the maximum value. Okay, so in max what will happen, ai, so that particular index value will get stored. So then again the loop will keep on going, and then it will compare 5 with 7, 5 with 9, 5 with 11, then 9, what I told you earlier, the same way it will go on, and then finally over here what it's going to do is, not going to compare that value. Okay. So I think after for loop we didn't put the bracket and we didn't close it also. So this largest, this for loop, and this for loop is ending over here. That's why it was creating error, because we have closed it but we didn't open it. Okay, so like this it's going to find out. Let's now run and see. So you understood what it is going to do in this particular source code. Now let's run and see. So finally, after so many loops, it is going to find out that the largest element is 11. It's not in the first round. It has to go on again and again and again like that. Okay. Same way, if we have to find out the smallest, we have to do nothing. We have to do it like this. We have to do less than. Now if you will run and see, so it's going to find out the smallest element is 3. Although I wrote it largest, but if you write down a full code again, and the same process will go on, it will compare 3 with 5. So whether 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 7, 3 is less than 9, and 3 is less than 11. Then once that full loop will go on, then it will declare the max minimum value, that is 3. Then it will again go, I value will become 1 now. So one index value, that is 5, will be compared with 7, then 5 with 9, 5 with 11. Then again I value will be incremented to become 2. So at the 2 index, 7 value is being stored. So 7 will be compared with 9, and 7 will be compared with the 11. So now the index value will become 4. So 4 will be 9. So 9 will be compared with 11, and then when 9 will be compared with 11, the value will become the smallest is 9. So finally, in the over here the variables are maximum. So in the maximum, the smallest value will be stored, that is that will be actually 3. So like this we can find out the smallest and largest element. So basically, thanks for viewing my channel. In the next video we will be covering the sum of arrays.